Butterflies going crazy, but don't know what to do. I feel so amazing, got me saying woohoo. Can't fake them goosebumps when they start to show. My heart beats like a bass drum. Get ready, let's go. You give me that good. You give me that good. You give me that good. You give me that real good feeling. You give me that good. You give me that good. You give me that real good feeling. I think I must be dreaming, 'cause things are getting wild. I think I must be dreaming. You give me that good. You give me that good. You give me that good. You give me that real good feeling. You give me that real good feeling.
Nagkita kami sa sa Kaisa Festival last January 2023.
Sumama lang ako that time kasi sabi niya i-VIP niya daw kami sa may concert. Idadala niya kami dun sa pinakaharap.
First meet namin, ayun, doon na nag-start. Tuloy-tuloy na kami hanggang sa nagkaligawan. Yun na, sinagot na ako. Hanggang ngayon, eto, di namin expect yung andito na kami.
Quality!
Di ko akalain, tsaka siya, di niya akalain na magiging dito. Kumbaga, siguro, tadhana na yung nagdala sa amin dito eh. Kasi talagang unexpected eh. From the very short time, ito kami ngayon, kakasal na, magbubuo ng sarili namin pamilya.
You know, sometimes love does not start with fireworks or an instant spark. Sometimes it's quiet. It grows slowly. It stays and it chooses you every single, kahit hindi mo alam kung paano matatapos ang kwento. At first, hindi talaga kita nakita the way you saw me. I did not give you a chance kasi feeling ko kaya ko naman mag-isa. Akala ko I did not need you. Pero hindi ka sumuka. You show me what real love is. Hindi lang yung kilig sa umpisa. Hindi lang yung easy and happy moments. But love that stay even when everything's else fall apart. Love that does not walk away. Love that chooses to fight.
I have dreamed 1,000 times of walking down the aisle only for you. Take my hand, we'll run like lovers do. Taking chances is easier with you. Every moment that is here, it's true.
How to find a perfect marriage in yourselves? Make yourself, Sir Roldan and Ma'am Marge, the perfect spouse for one another.
Pero 'di ba, our love story was never easy. Naalala mo, ilang beses kitang tinutulak palayo. Na kahit hindi kita gusto, hindi ka natinag. And you still made me feel that I was worth waiting for. And when I finally let my walls down, that when I realized hindi ko lang pala natutunang mahalin ka, ikaw pala talaga yung matagal ko nang hinihintay even when I did not know it yet.
Magiging alaala to ng ating pagmamahal. Kasi, relo to, dito umiikot yung buhay natin. At oras. Thank you so much.
Take my hand, we'll run like lovers do. Taking chances is easier with you. Every moment that is here, it's true. I don't mean you.
So, bago naman yung kain ni Cletus. Such memorable. First ever gift ko kita. Tandaan namin kasi puso ko bala mayapin mo rin yan. Laging may suot. Pero, syempre pakaingatan din. Love you, I love you so much. So, ito na yung araw. Hindi ko expect na nandito tayo ngayon. Papasalamat ako kay God. Dahil binigay niya. Most of all, hindi ko talaga expect na magugustuhan mo ko dahil ilang beses mo kong dinedma dahil sa isang festival. Yung kaisa nagkaisa tayo.
Oh my life, I do. Oh my love is for I've been waiting.
Sa pagkakataong ito, sasabihin ko sa'yo na mahal kita. I love you. So, love you. Mahal na mahal kita. Tandaan mo yan.
Soy ko, my love, ang dami na nating pinagdaanan. We went through so much pain, so much struggles, and yet here we are still standing, still holding on, and choosing each other. And if I had to go through every heartbreak, every trial, every tear again, just to be with you, I would. Kalunguranda ka, and I will always love you until my very last breath.